My name is Christopher Hipwood, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer for NWB Environmental Services. NWB just recently has been granted an FAA Section 333 exemption, which means that we're legally allowed to engage in commercial flights using drones. The services that NWB is going to provide with its drone program would be high-resolution aerial photography and videography, as well as thermal imaging, multispectral imaging, and 3D modeling, photogrammetry, and map making. Photogrammetry is just taking photos and using a computer, stitching them together to make a larger image. What the benefit of that is that you could take many high-resolution photographs of an area and stitch them all together to get one large aerial view of an area. The drone provides images with a level of detail that we never could have achieved using commercially available satellite imagery. Well, what we're going to be doing with the drone today is we're going to go out to a local historical site that NWB helped discover and be taking aerial photos of historic Adobe Brickmaking equipment. We have many different drones that we can use, and we considered our larger S1000. However, today we're going to go ahead and use the smaller Phantom. We've got trees coming up right behind the machine that has some really tight space issues, so this will do much better given its limited size.
That little gap right there?
Yeah, we'll have to try. We'll try our best. I mean, we're not gonna get too crazy about it. The first couple photos though will be just directly overhead, probably only like 50 feet, because you just want to capture the scale and try and capture this equipment.
We'll get the overhead first.
Yeah, we'll do overhead, some straight down shots, and then I would come a little bit off angle the camera towards it, and then kind of do like a circle, getting photos every few feet.
Okay.
And then bring it down lower, and then go around it, do the same thing every few feet. Got it all wired up. Oh, that's a LiPo sack. It's for the batteries that catch fire. It helps contain it. We'll want to turn on the map, which is DJI Go.
Hi, I'm John Butler. I'm the lead pilot for the NWB Environmental Drone Program. I've been a pilot for 15 years. I've flown many different types of aircraft. It's important to have a licensed pilot as part of your drone program when you operate any commercial operations for two reasons. One, the FAA requires you to be a FAA licensed pilot to fly a drone commercially. The other is, a lot of times you're flying in busy airspace, and your experiences and your education as a pilot helps you fly safely. I'm very fortunate. I've never really had an incident, but I've learned a lot of things about how to fly in congested airspace. Coming from the East Coast, I've learned how to fly at very busy airports around New York City, very busy with traffic, and that sort of helped me develop over the years a really natural scan for other traffic, and I incorporate that scan into flying drones.
I like when you had it rotated to where the scales on the right hand side.
I'm just going to start clicking.
Great.
That's something that you learn as a pilot, to maintain a certain distance from other aircraft, other objects, and people, of course. And it's something that we incorporate into our program in every single flight at NWB. Check out this linear feature here.
Holy jeez, look at that.
Perfect resolution. You know, you'd never get this with Google Maps.
Absolutely not. You're right.